So I got Bailey, July, Jason, and Jude with me. This is my first time bringing Bailey up to the field, man, to let him run around. I think he's about to have a ball out here.
Super psycho.
July, come on. Come on, July. Bailey, you can't keep up with July. Ball. You got your ball? You let me see it? Good boy. Look, Bailey. Your ball? Bailey. Go get it. Testing this light situation out. We testing it out.
Hi.
You saying hi? Testing this light situation out here. Say what's up. Oh my gosh. Can't chill with one. Oh. Yeah, it gets real over here at night with these dogs.
They're so jealous of each other. Look at this. July gets mad. There you go. Are you trying to get the camera?
You trying to get the camera? Hey, July. Hey. Yeah, there he is. Just throw your whole body. Bailey, you can't be this way, man. What is going on? What's wrong? Oh, man. Hey, y'all gonna have to get from around these lights. Go. Get out.
Yo, July's gonna snap. She's gonna have him screaming in a second. It's coming. Hey, move. Go. Put the lights over.
Whoa. Come here, baby. Come here. You just wanna be up here. Phone falling. 2 phones. What's up, kid? What's up, kid? What's up, kid? So big, man. Ouch. No.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay. Got my big Bailey.
This is Bailey.
My big Bailey. You say he's so cute?
Yep. Bailey. Nobody is. Don't do that.
What's up, man?
Don't do that.
Where's Shep?
Don't do that.
Hey, July. Come on. You get some love too.
Sorry. Oh, sit down.
Whoa. Both of my babies.
Sit down.
Bailey and July.
Sit down. Sorry.
Bailey, no, Bailey. July, like a circus. Sit, July, sit. Good girl.
I'm sitting.
Bailey, you got your toy and your food in your mouth. Look at that
Wait,
snack.
Dad, can I make? Oh, that's mine. Dad, I'm sitting. You need me.
July, you ate. Oh my good. July, you did not eat that already.
Yeah, she did.
I guess she did. She crushed it. No how. Stuck in the hospital room. What's this hospital? Urgent care. In the room with 2 patients ahead of us. Jasmine tablet is on 9%. We might not make it. Creep cam. Look at me in the mirror. I'm about to lay on this bed like I'm the patient. Jazzy, I might go to sleep on you, baby. I just opened up Bailey's cage, told him to get in. July goes in. Bailey lays down. Bailey, come on. Good girl, July. Good girl. Bailey, come on. Find this Kong toy. Here it is. Come on, Bailey. Watch this. July, get in. In. Good girl. Bailey. Bailey. Go. We do this every day. At least twice a day. July, she goes right in her kennel. I had to actually take Bailey's bed. That's what's in this trash bag right here. This trash bag is full of Bailey's bed. He ripped his bed up, chewed his bed up. That's what Bailey did. So now he's about to be blown in his kennel. But he'll play with his Kong toy. He loves that thing. I'm about to head now to the Berkeley Springs Humane Society. Just seen on their website that they actually are selling beds right now, brand new beds. So I'm gonna get Bailey a bed real quick for like 10 or 15 bucks. Not bad. Hopefully it lasts. So I'm on my way right now to the Humane Society, man. Alright, so I got up to the Humane Society to get the beds for the dogs. And then I see a sign that says cash only. Man, I don't carry no cash. Now I gotta go to an ATM real quick so I can take out some cash. Alright, so I went to the ATM, got cash out, got Bailey a bed. I think this is big enough. I'm pretty sure this is big enough for Bailey. Something for him to lay on, man, because Bailey done tore everything else up. His other bed is in the trash bag now. If he tear this bed up, this might be it. Bailey might got to sleep on the hard floor. If he tear this bed up, that's it. I can't take this no more. That's it, Bailey, if you tear this one up. But we will see.